Hi everyone, so today I'm back with another heatless hairstyling video, and today I'm going to be curling my hair with this donut sponge kind of thing. It's a really affordable hair accessory. You can find it pretty much everywhere. In every store it has a hair accessory section, so yeah, it's a really useful, affordable and great stuff to have. Also, you're gonna need some bobby pins and hair elastic. I'm gonna be using Invisibobble. It doesn't matter really. And yeah, before we start, I have to say that my hair is a bit of straight, a bit of wavy, a bit of laying flat or being voluminous, just a bit of everything, and at the end, just really nothing good. But today my hair is laying, oh my god, like guys, deadly straight, and I haven't done anything to it. Like, I haven't straightened it, I haven't blow dried it, nothing. Why it has to be so perfectly straight just on a day when I have to curl it? Also, this hair updo works only on a hair that is like 90% dry, almost dry. Don't do it on wet hair because it just won't work. So you either wash your hair and wait till it's completely almost dry, but like not like 100% dry, but like almost there. You know what I mean? Just use some water and mist it on your hair. Okay, so let's start it. The first thing you have to do is to put your hair in a super high ponytail. Secure it with a hair elastic, but don't do it too tightly because it has to be comfy to wear. If your hair is completely dry like mine, then mist some water on the bottom part of the hair. Look, the sponge has a huge hole inside of it, so you have to pull the ponytail through this hole. Part your hair in 2, 3 or 4 sections depending on how thick your hair is. My hair is quite thin, so I'm doing only 2 sections. And then just grab a section and wrap it around the sponge. I know it looks a bit tricky in the beginning, but believe me guys, it's really simple. Just try to look and follow the steps, and yeah, we'll see how easy it is. And when you finished wrapping that hairpiece, just secure the hair end with some bobby pins. And lastly, don't forget to secure the sponge with several bobby pins. So yeah guys, and you're done. Everything should look like this. This bun is quite loose, so it's really comfy to sleep with it, to just be with it. So for the next couple of hours, are gonna be like this. But if you want like a real perfection, really bouncy, thick waves and curls, you have to sleep with it and just keep it in your hair for like 6 hours. But I think like 3 hours should work too. Okay, so see you soon guys. Woo! So hey guys, I'm back and I'm quite tired of this thing staying in my hair, so I want to remove it as soon as possible. So I have to take out the bobby pins firstly. I kept it in my hair for like almost 3 hours, so I hope everything is completely dry here. When you want to remove the sponge, don't pull it like this. Don't do it, it won't work. You have to roll it like so. No, like roll it like this. So I'm going to break the curls a bit, run with my fingers through my hair. Yeah, like so. The end result, this method definitely gives a lot of volume and a bit of beachy wave kind of look. And guys, please keep in mind that I was curling only the bottom part, the bottom half of my hair, so this top section should be completely straight and then the bottom part should be waved. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope it was fun and interesting to watch. I hope you found some inspiration here, and yeah, That's all. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in my next week's video. Bye guys!